Good leash walker. Come on. Yes, you are. You are a good leash walker. Even with all this entertainment, you just stay right here with me.
He's a big, strong dog, but he's not a yanker, is he?
No.
He seems to.
Stays right there with you. And then there's always that whistle. Easily led. Can you sit? Can you sit? Oh, good girl. Good boy. Yes, good boy. Yes, you're a good one. Hey, come. Yes, good. It's on you. Oh, yeah. Okay. Oh, give me some loving. Okay. Whoa. Good, 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 good. Good.
Oh, you found the spot.
Come here. Come here. Brutus. Brutus. My little pink self. That's her Easter bunny. They're all pink. You're gonna have to sneeze here in a minute. Oh, that slobber. Oh, that slobber.